if you're sleeping, fam, your phone is ringing. You need to wake up if you're even going. This is our alarm set or a ringtone. If you're sleeping, then there is something you need a knife. Then there's someone calling you, and how come I'm just sitting here? You doing nothing, fam. You're literally doing nothing, and someone is literally just calling you. How idiotic is it to ignore someone? It sounds like a secret from Cedric, Robert. You don't deserve that in your face, Sam. I don't need a Sam. I need a salmon sandwich, like secret, like strict as secret. I need a bag. I need a food for bag. Wake up.